Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and in this video we are going to learn how to make the elements of a section have equal height. To do that, we are going to use the Elementor page builder and the Happy Addons for Elementor plugin. To do that, we need to go over to the left on where it says plugins. We are going to click on add new, and on the plugin search bar we are going to type Happy Addons, and this is the one we are going to use, the Happy Addons for Elementor. Will add some new widgets to the Elementor among a few more options as well. So we are going to click on install, then on activate, and then we are going to the top name of the site and we are going to click on visit site. And on the top we are going to click on edit with Elementor. There we go. Now as you can see, we have a section that has 3 text editor widgets that 2 of them are the same height and 1 of them is a little bit longer. Now what we are going to do is to make these 2 be of the same length as this one right here. To do that, we need to go to edit section on the top of the section, and then we are going to click on the advanced tab, and we have a new option, equal height, with the Happy Addon logo. We click on that, and now we have an option to enable the equal height, and now we have widgets to apply to widgets, and here we can select the widgets we want it to be applied to, and now you can select multiple widgets from the drop down, and these widgets are the only ones from the current selected sections. So we can disable on the tablet and on the mobile. And if we click, we can add the current widgets on the section. In this case, the only one are the text editors. So if we click on that, all of the 3 will have the equal height. As you can see, the shorter ones has been made longer to match the one in the middle. Once we have made all the elements on the section have equal height, we need to save those changes by going to the lower left and click on the update button. So that's it. We have learned how to make all the elements on the section have equal heights using the Elementor page builder and the Happy Addons for Elementor plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Paletech.